Hello YouTube, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to recover deleted files. Let's download the recovery software first. I'm gonna download it from the torrent site. I will put the download link in description below. There are many recovery software, but I'm using RECUVA. Click the link and click get the torrent. Click open with your torrent. After you click that, it will start downloading. After the download completes, install the software. Installation process will take few times depending upon your computer. I'm inserting the USB disks. As you can see, there are few files. Now I'm deleting all the files. Now let's begin the recovery process. Click on the device that you want to recover. In my case, it's USB disks. Right click it and click on for scan for the deleted files. As there were only few files that we deleted, we get the result pretty fast. These are the files that we just deleted. Select the files that you want to recover and click option recover. Do not select the same location for recovery, as it can reduce the chance of successful recovery. So select the different location that you want to recover your files. As soon as you select the location, it will start to recover your deleted files. And here are the recovered files that you had deleted. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to hit the bell icon to get my latest video.